Hey guys, Jack Slade here for Boss Hunting. I'm here with Samsonite's all-new EVOA Tech cabin baggage. It's their first technical smart luggage from Samsonite. It is 55 centimeters, very nice looking, very lightweight as well. So lightweight that I can tell you exactly how much it weighs with the inbuilt scales. Some of the high-tech features on this bag include a fingerprint scanner to access the bag, so out of going like that, it opens up. Also a regular code lock, TSA approved as well, and a USB port, so you can put a battery inside the bag and charge your device from outside the bag, which is a pretty cool feature. It also means you can remove the battery in and out very easily, no issues with checking the bag in if need be as well. So let's take a look inside. A piece of luggage is a piece of luggage. At the end of the day, you want it to carry things and be lightweight and portable and easy to move around. And from first glance, this does it all. Deep, sturdy, hard case. This is where you put the batteries in for the fingerprint scanner. It also comes with Bluetooth tracking, so you leave this in the bag at any given time, connect to an app, and if your bag goes more than 50 meters away from you at any given time, it'll alert you like a tile would in your keyring, for example. It's hard to know what a bag is like without actually giving it a road test, so we will be giving it a road test in the coming weeks on a couple of trips we've got coming up, and we'll report back then. But in the meantime, the Samsonite EVOA Tech is 679 AUD. This is the smallest of the range. It also comes in a 69 centimeter bag and a 75 centimeter bag, which retails at $899. Pretty durable, lightweight. Comes in a pretty nice colorway as well. It's a rose gold handle we've got here. There you go.